Hey, welcome back. I wanted you guys to know where to find your archive stories because Facebook purges the stories in 24 hours. You go on your page, click the more button to the right, then story archives at the top. Then you'll see where your stories are. So whichever story you want to click on, you click on that story and you'll see the eyes at the bottom right, and that's where you're going to see your viewers, right? And then you'll have an opportunity to talk to everyone on that, all those 45 people I can talk to, right? And then in the next video, what I'm going to be doing is sharing exactly what to say to these people that you are connecting to, because again, you need to be intentional about how you speak to them, okay? So that will be in the next video. Talk to you soon. See you then.